Hi, welcome back to Car Info Project channel. Mitsubishi is equally committed to utilizing hybrid technology. In layman terms, hybrid technology allows two engines to be installed in one vehicle that is powered by both conventional fuels and electricity. According to the Mitsubishi Motors website, the Xpander hybrid will have a long-lasting battery. Mitsubishi claims that its EV battery can travel up to 150 km on a single charge. Furthermore, one of the technology that Mitsubishi will present is the innovative Mitsubishi electric vehicle technology. This technology directs the energy required for regenerative braking to continuously control battery power. In short, it can be said as an environmentally friendly automatic co-pilot. The Xpander 2023 car is expected to use the latest diesel and electric propulsion engines as well as autonomous feature, namely special technology in the steering system. The Mitsubishi Xpander for its exterior will certainly be more boxy than previous design, similar to the new Mitsubishi Outlander that has launched on the global market. The front has completely changed. The grille is now thicker and is made to directly connect to the radiator grille at the top. The dynamic shield signature chrome panel that forms a large X is also thicker with a small honeycomb grille in the middle. The application of T-shaped main lamp design uses three large projectors, which is different from the previous model. On the side, even though at the first glance it looks like it just changed in the well design. In fact, from here the change in dimensions is most obvious and increased by 70.5 cm and the rear overhang increased by 40.5 cm. On the back it used more cluttered design like the front. The reflector that used to be horizontal is now made vertical, and the additional panel at the bottom is also separated by a small black line, which also serves as parking sensor holder. Dimensionally, the Mitsubishi Xpander is 4,595 long, 1,750 wide, and 1,750 mm height, and the wheelbase is 2,775 mm.